today we'll talk about how can you uh, fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Remedial app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps, come to apps is here, and there you're looking for Remedial app, or just click on search. Then here add remind, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here, and here you search for remained app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find updates, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.